Back at you guys another Bitcoin video. Today we are going to be going over a massive shift in the market that's happening with Bitcoin, and I want to show you guys exactly what is going to be causing that shift and why that is happening. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this chart yet. I discovered this today. Well, I actually found this on Twitter earlier today, but this chart is absolutely the best thing I've ever discovered on Twitter. This is amazing. This is like gold. So pretty much this is a correlation between global liquidity, which means how much money is in circulation or pretty much liquid, being able to be spent on whatever people want. How much money is being spent and how much money is in circulation. So this pretty much shows the liquidity. This white line is the liquidity. This blue line is the historical Bitcoin price. This liquidity thing has been going on way before Bitcoin was ever created, but Bitcoin is actually correlated with global liquidity, less so the halving. It's also correlated with the halving event, but global liquidity is a big factor, and it has been shown historically to signal bottoms and tops for Bitcoin cycles. So this is the white line is the global liquidity, blue line is the Bitcoin. The orange dots on the blue line are the tops, the red dots are the bottoms for the global liquidity. And the green arrows are when we cross this yellow line in global liquidity. So whenever we break this yellow line, that is when the bull market tends to kick in. And then whenever we bottom out, that is the top of the market cycle. And this has happened since the beginning of Bitcoin. So we currently just hit a green arrow in the cycle, and we are breaking this yellow line and heading down. We might bounce up, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But I think that we obviously broke this line, and I think that we are on the cusp of a massive bull cycle, which is going to change everything for Bitcoin. This is a 3.5 year cycle as well with global liquidity. That's why it's so similar to the Bitcoin halving, because the Bitcoin halving is 4 years and this is 3.5 years. And this also explains as to why Bitcoin cycles are varying in lengths based off the global liquidity, because the halving is every 4 years, but global liquidity, the cycle can change and defer. It can change over time. So we can correlate these tops and bottoms of Bitcoin to global liquidity, and whenever we cross this line, it is the bull market signal every single time, and it's absolutely beautiful. Green, green, bull market, green, bull market, green, bull market, green, bull. Just repetitive. It's perfect. I hope you guys take a lot of information away from this video. This is an amazing chart, and I hope you guys utilize this. And the one thing I really wanted to point out with you guys from this chart is that the Bitcoin tops are closely correlated to the 3.5 year liquidity cycle, not the 4 year halving cycle. It's somewhat correlated to that, but it's mainly this. So at every end of the cycle, that's when we top out. Top out. It might be a little off sometimes, but that is really where we top out, in that range of a couple months or few months, whatever. So this theoretically means that the Bitcoin top should be anywhere from late 2024 to early 2025. Not late 2025, but around the end of 2024. That's where the top should be. And that's when I am going to be calling the top, and that's when I believe the top will actually be